Hi, I just quickly wanted to share with you a super cheap and simple way to make your smartphone videos more steady. Now, of course, I often use a selfie stick, as a stabilizer, not to hold, but really to put down and use it as a tripod. But if you don't want to invest in an expensive tripod just yet, what about a super simple light stand? These things don't weigh a thing. They can also become very tall, and they're only about 15 to 20 bucks. And it has this exact same system that you can use to put your Joby smartphone video grip or the Manfrotto smartphone holder. You can just put it on here and your video will be steady. Yes! So this is obviously not the best option if you really want to be able to know whether everything is level. If you really want the best stable option, of course you want to invest in a tripod. But a simple light stand is cheap, it does the job, and if you just want to make videos now and you have one of those laying around, then you use them. Good luck, and definitely let me know if you have shot any videos with my video tips, and follow me for more video tips. Bye.